spent an hour and a half at this station on several occasions because of missing the train just by 30 seconds or a minute.
When you commute 4 hours a day, 2 hours each way, when you lose 30 minutes or 45 minutes, that's a big chunk of your day.
There's nothing more stressful than having to rush to catch your train. And there's nothing more frustrating than missing that train.
Perfect example. Today I missed that train.
That's why the Capitol Corridor and BART installed the courtesy light at the Richmond Station.
It's a little dim, just kind of looks like almost like an emergency light maybe.
For safety mostly.
Security light.
When a northbound BART train arrives, the light is activated. It stays on for a couple of minutes, so the conductor knows that transferring BART passengers are on their way.
When that light is activated, the Capitol Corridor train sitting here at Richmond will stay here for additional 2 minutes.
If the light is on, the train will hold, so transferring passengers have time to get from the BART platform to the Capitol Corridor.
This is Capitol Corridor train 544, service to Sacramento.
No more rushing, no more near misses. The courtesy light gives you the time you need to connect and get where you need to go.